like a phantom in black. In north central Florida, the landlocked crowd drifting in their cars, feeling lost in the loud. With brakes starting to squeal and the lights flashing red, they search for salvation before the night's dead. Oh, weary travelers, don't you despair. The Kraken's on the way with a crew that will care. Mobile mechanics with a steadfast heart, coming after hours, playing their part. Oh, Kraken Automotive, hear the distress call. They sail after sunset and we can stand tall. Across most of north central Florida, straight to you. Saving land vessels, making them new. Engines roaring loud, but the troubles grow near. Infotainment glitches, driving you to fear. Few screen replacements, light maintenance too. Whatever the challenge, Kraken's coming through. With a wrench in hand and a heart full of pride, they'll battle the odds, bringing joy to the ride. From Ocala to Gainesville, they navigate all. When landlocked sailors summon, they heed the call. Oh, Kraken Automotive, hear the distress call. They sail after sunset and we can stand tall. Across most of north central Florida, straight to you. Saving land vessels, making them new. So raise up your tankards, lift your voices high for the Kraken's crew. They're the ones who'll fly with torque and with skill. They'll fight through the night, filling the roads with their passion and might. A shanty for the ages, let the anthem ring. In the heart of the storm, hear the hope that they bring. So call out the Kraken, let your troubles be known. For every driver stranded, you're never alone. They'll come to the rescue, their legend unfolds. A team of brave souls with hearts made of gold. From brakes to maintenance, they never back down. With a jolly good spirit, they'll turn it around. Oh, the motors may rumble, but together we'll stand, united by courage in this sun-kissed land. So here's to the crew, the guardians of roads. In the face of our troubles, their heroism unfolds. Kraken Automotive, our ship in the storm, navigating life's journeys, keeping us warm. When engines are weary and hope's wearing thin, just call 352-2346-8872 and